Hello students, today we are going to do chapter number 7, Theme for a Dream. Ben Austen's mother was speaking to her neighbors on the phone. Yes, his event is at 2:30 p.m. so you can see him on TV. Thank you once again. I will surely give him your best wishes. Bye. So there is a conversation is going on between the mother and neighbors that she's telling them that at 2:30 the event is going to start, so you can see it on TV, and they give it. She said that she will pass on their best wishes to his son. So Ben was taking part in a special sporting event called Paralympics in Beijing. So he had been participating in the Paralympics since 2000 and had won silver and bronze medal for swimming. This time he had made his mind to try for a gold medal. So Paralympics hota hai. This Olympics is being conducted for the special people. So who are these special people? For what reason they used to conduct? So in this chapter it has been told about that. In 2006, he was ranked first for the World Championship in the 400-meter swimming relay. He had practiced and trained very hard for the event. However, Ben was no ordinary boy. When he was just 2 weeks, जब वो 2 हफ्ते के थे, his left arm had to be amputated. Amputated means किसी एक body part को अलग कर देना. तो उनका लेफ्ट आर्म काट दिया गया था because of an accident during his birth. So his parents encouraged him a love for sports. So he should not think in that way that he is not capable of doing anything. So his parents have worked hard so he can be trained and good in any of the sports or any activity. He should be good. So his parents encouraged him to love for sports, especially swimming. So he began to love water and soon he mastered the sport to become an EDA or elite disabled athlete. So उसने भी हिम्मत नहीं हारी, उसके पेरेंट्स ने बस राह दिखाई, मगर उसे अचीव करने के लिए बेन ने बहुत मेहनत करी. तब तक नहीं करी जब तक उस गेम में वो मास्टर नहीं हो गया. So, see, master means to become expert in the sports. Elite means the best. Disabled means unable to use a part of a body because of some illness or injury. So, this was the first page. Let's move on to the next one. So, what are Paralympics and how did they begin? अब ये पैरालंपिक्स होता क्या है? In 1948, Sir Ludwig Guttmann, a doctor at the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in England, organized a sport competition for World War II soldiers, so who had suffered serious injuries during the war. तो 1948 में Sir Ludwig ने क्या किया? एक स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करा जो वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड में जो सोल्जर्स को चोट लगी हुई थी, इंजरीज आ गई, किसी के पैर कट गए, किसी के हाथ कट गए. सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव लॉस्ट देयर लिम्स मतलब होता है आर्म्स एंड लेग्स. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वर डिसहार्टेंड, दे वर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. सो what doctor has done, he conducted a sports event and they still believed. Some of them have their limbs cut off, however they still believed in their abilities. So they wanted to do something that normal people do. So they also wanted to do something. उन्हें भी कुछ करना था जो normal people करते हैं. So उन्हें अपने आप पर काबिलियत पर विश्वास था. So they learned to play games while sitting in a wheelchair or using artificial limbs. उन्होंने try करना शुरू कर दिया. या तो artificial limbs use करी या उन्होंने wheelchair में बैठ के games खेला. Soon they were ready for the wheelchair race and first sports event was disabled took place. These contests were then known as the Stoke Mandeville Games. So other countries too followed their example and encouraged the injured soldiers to participate in sports. So in this way, the sports event was started for the special people. 4 years later, competition from the Netherlands joined the games. मतलब नीदरलैंड से आप गेम में ज्वाइन करा, and it began to be called the annual international Stoke Mandeville Games. पहले एक जगह से शुरू हुआ, उसके बाद नीदरलैंड ने ज्वाइन करा, तो अब ये इंटरनेशनल गेम्स हो गया था. तो सबसे only sports like running, swimming and wheelchair races were included. ये इवेंट्स ही होते थे. Soon other games for athletes with disabled were also organized. Then in 1960, for the first time, the Olympics and the International Stoke Mandeville Games were held together in Rome. 1960 में रोम में ओलंपिक्स पता है ना, गेम्स इवेंट्स होते हैं इंटरनेशनली. इट हैज़ बीन कंडक्टेड, ऑल द कंट्रीज यूज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द गेम्स. सो ऐसे ओलंपिक्स और इंटरनेशनल स्ट्रोक गेम्स का इकट्ठे कंबाइन करके रोम में फर्स्ट इवेंट हुआ. सो वेयर दे बिगैन, फिर उसके बाद से इस इवेंट का नाम हो गया पैरालंपिक्स. इवेंचुअली द समर एंड द विंटर पैरालंपिक्स बिगैन टू बी हेल्ड सेपरेटली. ठंड के और गर्मियों के गेम्स अलग अलग होने लगे. Today, the Paralympics are elite sporting event for athletes and disabilities. They show what the participants can do despite their disabilities. So, the competition started with just a few games, but today disabled athlete participants in a number of sporting events from archery to rugby. The number of athletes participating in the Summer Paralympics has increased from 400 athletes from 23 countries in Rome in 1960 to 3,951 athletes from 146 countries at the last Paralympics in London 2012. See, this has been a gradual increase in the event. Many countries have encouraged their country people to participate in it, so they should not feel that they are not able to do anything. So many games has been included, many people has been included in this part of the game. Ben has experienced many triumphant moments till this day. Ben and his team did win the gold for the 400-meter swimming relay at Beijing. He also won a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games at New Delhi in 2010 में Commonwealth Games हुआ था, उसमें भी gold medal जीता था. After the Commonwealth Games in Delhi, Ben participated in Paralympics at London in 2012. His next destination is Rio de Janeiro in 2016. So now you have to find out in 2016 उन्होंने कौन सा मेडल जीता था. So search it on and find out the answers. So in the assignment I'll be assigning all the things. Now students, see, these are the events which are conducted in the Paralympics for the special people. So all the assignments and answers will be given in the assignment sheet. So those who find it difficult to find out the answer, many were asking, ma'am, please give the answers of these reader chapters. It's available in the school website. My school name is www.stmarysrohtak.com. In that website, in the homework column, all the answers, all the subject, whichever subject you want to find, and the English subject question answers of all the chapters will be available in that website. Thank you and have a good day.